Alright, recently it snowed, and I've been playing with my RC car in the snow a lot. Because it's fun. You know, it kicks up rooster tails everywhere you go. Shell's not really important. I've actually got one of my smaller batteries in this, so this pin's being difficult. Oh, there it goes. And today, on this episode of Wiley Riley Speaks, we're going to be talking about cleaning your RC car. I've got the air compressor here, and there's a lot of snow on this RC car. Tires, here's my stuff right there. Air compressor is your best friend for getting really anything off your RC car. Dirt, mud, you're gonna need a hose for. But for snow, dirt, dust, all of the above, air compressor is good. I'm going to turn the air compressor back on because I need some more pressure. Well, that's going in the background. As you can see, this truck is a lot cleaner than it was before. I still need to get the snow out of the inner tires, out of the steering assembly and stuff like that. It's fun playing with the RC car in the snow and the mud and other places like that, but you have to clean it afterwards. You can't just leave it like that sitting on your shelf, because that mud or that snow will get into gears and metal parts and other such places in your RC. This thing's 100% waterproof with the servo, ESC, all that other stuff. It is waterproof. Nothing's going to hurt it. But if I put this on my shelf, not only would the snow melt on my shelf, all that snow has to go somewhere, and you'd have water piling up in here in these chassis points. Right, so you'd have stuff getting in here, and metal shocks. All this stuff is stainless steel and it's not supposed to rust, but if you leave something in a bucket of water, if you leave a piece of metal in a bucket of water long enough, it will rust. So I think that should be enough pressure. 110 or so. Yeah, I've got water and stuff actually frozen to my shocks. Now, make sure to get the inner tires. I mean, I got all the snow off my RC car. I'm gonna set it over here by the fireplace. Anything I missed, like all this ice that's stuck to the shocks, will melt off. The shell, I could spray the air off of it, but all you do is put this in the sink, run some water over it, and it's good. So, I mean, when you're playing in the snow and stuff like that, a thing you need to consider is the RC car you're playing with waterproof? That's the first thing. Second thing you need to consider is, will it take it? Because I've got a Traxxas, so jumping it on jumps like this in the cold shouldn't be a problem. But when stuff gets cold, especially plastic, it gets brittle, and the cold will make it just snap. So when you're done playing in the snow or playing in the mud, or you've gotten back from the beach, sand, mud, and snow can all cause problems for your RC car. They can really hurt it. So you really, after you're done playing with your RC car, you need to clean it. You need to make sure it's in good condition. You need to make sure the shocks have oil, and you need to make sure everything's greased. That's pretty much it for this episode of Wiley Riley Speaks. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more tips and other such things of this nature, subscribe to my channel. I have a whole playlist of Wiley Riley Speaks. And as always, Wiley Riley signing off.